Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my freckles look. Okay, so I don't know what you guys think about these, but I actually kind of like them. I decided to try this trend. This trend has been going on for a while, and excuse my voice, I am sick. It's summertime and I'm sick. And I have my period. Like, life is in shambles. Last video, life was in shambles. This video, life is... I need to fix my life. Miss Iyanla Van Zandt, hello. I've officially requested you to come fix my fucking life. But anyway, so I am going to show you guys how I achieve this faux freckle look, which I'm actually really digging, sis. I'm actually really digging. So if you want to see how I did this, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Come on, y'all. Just join that flower gang. And smell the roses. Alright. Even though I'm sick, clearly I have way too much energy. I will see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Hey y'all, hey! Please excuse my voice once again. So I'm going in with my No Essence Pore Bloom Primer, and then my my Pore Bloom Primer and FAUX, both from Touch and Soul. And then I'm going to spray my brush, my Morphe M3439 brush, and I'm using my Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation in the number 13. And of course, I'm just going to apply that foundation all over my face. Y'all hear me breathing? I can't really breathe. Alright, so those are my Beauty Bakerie concealers. That is You Are Brewtiful and What's Frappenin. So cute. Okay, so I'm setting my face with my setting powders. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my brows. Now, I usually never do my brows on camera, but I said, hey, why not? That is my Morphe brow pencil. So, of course, like always, you want to go ahead and start with a line on the bottom, a line on the top, and just start filling in the brows. It's really sped up, but I do have 2 different eyebrow tutorials on my channel, so you can check those out. Alright, so now we're going back with the spoolie brush, and I'm just making it so it looks a little bit more faded and like a natural brow. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Now we're going to go and clean it up with some concealer. Y'all, it's so hard to talk and breathe right now. Your brows look cute, sis. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and dust off the excess powder just to make sure we don't get that cake. So now I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. It's the best contour palette, I think, for black women. Like, I use it with every makeup look. I will probably never switch. And now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Toasted Almond Blush. Okay, y'all. So now that we have completed the base of our face, we're going to do these full freckles, sis. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence because it's kind of like an oil. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to mix it with my Mahogany LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to use this brush right here. So that's how much product is on my hand. And I'm going to go in and add like a drop of this oil. Like a drop. I'm going to go in and add a drop of this oil. 2 drops. And then I'm going to take my brush and mix it all together. I'm going to empty the brush a little bit. I don't want too much product on it. And I'm going to like flick the brush, like the bristles on my face. Please let this work the way I want it to. That was a fail. clearly. To figure out a different brush to use. I don't really use anything to, I guess I'll use this because it's a little more fluffy. Or maybe I didn't put enough liquid on it. That's probably what it is. I might want to add a little bit of water to make it a little bit more fluid. So I'm going to go do that. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went to the bathroom and I did add some. And it is kind of working. And I do want the freckles to kind of be like all over my face. So I'm going to try to center it here. So I'm going to keep flicking it. I had some more water. Where did it go? Let's try this again because this is looking like a fail. So it looks like the best bet is to wet the brush itself, put the product, and then flick it. So I'm going to continue to do that back and forth and keep flicking the product on me. So I'm going to add some more product. I hope y'all can see. I hope it's picking it up on the camera, but they're not big. I don't want them to be big. I want them to look like freckles. I don't want to look like I have a polka dot face, if that makes sense. That's why I decided to do it this way, so it's not uniform. Like, I literally can see them. They look cute, but I don't know if you guys can see them. So let's continue. Can you guys see them? Oh my gosh, this is actually looking kind of cool. So I'm gonna attempt to do this and kind of pack them in a little bit. I'm gonna do some more, but I just want to pat the ones that are here to look a little bit more like flesh to my skin. Look at this side. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Alright, let's keep going. We'll get some more water, add some more product, keep it flicking. Trying to center on my nose right now. Alright, so I'm gonna stop doing that now. I feel like it's enough. I think if I use a tip of this tweezer, it'll, yeah, let me see, yeah. These are just to make the bigger freckles, because you know all freckles are not created equal. So I'm just gonna go in, yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I like that. I like that I'm doing that. I'm just gonna put them all over, like the tiny ones from the splashing, and now I'm just gonna try to focus more attention on my nose. I didn't get my nose too good. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. And I'm gonna do my lashes off camera while that's dry, and then we'll highlight my face. Yeah, I messed up right here, which pissed me off because it was looking cute, and then I started to like go too fast. But this is why I told you I don't like freckles. I don't know. Not that I don't like freckles on people who naturally have them. It's just that like whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my lashes, and I will put on my highlight, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, so I'm back with the final look. I put on my Beauty Bakerie SnickerDoodle. As you can see, I used so much Beauty Bakerie in this video. My SnickerDoodle lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I love it. But I think this looks so natural. I'm actually kind of digging it. I'm kind of sad that I waited so long to like try this trend. This trend has been going on for like, I think years, like at least 2 years. I'm just not trying it because I was like, you know what? I'll break down and try. You never know. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you tell me, guys. Make sure you tell me what you guys think down in the description box. Let's model.